हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज मैं आप सबके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ ये वाला वैलेंटाइंस डे लुक, बहुत ही इजी सिंपल स्टेप्स में और बहुत ही अफोर्डेबल प्रोडक्ट्स यूज करके। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड इन द वीडियो। फॉर द फर्स्ट स्टेप आई एम यूजिंग Simple's Restorative Rich Cream. This has 22% ceramide boosters plus Pica and it is a skin barrier repair cream. Next, I'm prepping my lips with a good lip balm. I'm using Nivea lip balm. And for the primer, I am using Swiss Beauty's Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer. It brightens skin, modifies pores, and it is moisturizing too. So I'm applying it like this. The best primer I have ever used. I love this primer a lot. It has light, shiny particles, not so chunky. For the foundation, I am using Maybelline Superstay Lumi Matte Foundation, which has SPF 16 too. And I am taking a pump of it in my hands. One of the best foundations I've ever tried. I like it. And some on the neck. And I'm using the brush Pat 006, which is my favorite foundation brush. I love it. It blends so easily. Very smooth application. For the concealer, I am using L'Oreal Paris का Infallible Full Wear Concealer. I am using Pat 219 concealer brush. This is very good concealer brush and I am blending it. I apply foundation first, then I conceal the eyes. For the compact, I am using Faces Canada ka Weightless Stay Matte Compact, which looks like this, and I'm using Swiss Beauty Compact Brush F02. Wonderful. I'm setting my eyes with this compact powder, just setting my eyes, not my whole face. I don't want the concealer to crease. For the eyeshadow, I'm using Swiss Beauty ka Lusher Mini Palette, and this would be something like this. And I am using Cups and Lashes eyeshadow blending brush, big brush. So I'm taking pink shade of it and applying on the eye. Directly applying on the eye. It has good pigmentation. Little bit under the eyes. I am taking a flat brush and using this first color, pink, this light pink shade, and I'm using a flat brush. This is from Miniso. I'm applying it in the middle of my eyes. I mean, center of my eyes. For the eyeliner, I am using Swiss Beauty Ultra Black Longwear Non-Transfer Liquid Pen Eyeliner. This is in the shape of a pen. This is like a sketch pen and it is very handy to apply your eyeliner. So I am just giving a small wing like this. Oh god, छोटा सा wing. This is how my eyeliner looks after a lot of struggle. I didn't like the wings for my liner, so I have removed it. For the kajal, I am using Renee's Midnight Gold Pencil. ये कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. Very nice, sleek, classy finish है इसका. So, I already have it sharpened. So, I am using it on my waterline. For the mascara, I am using Mars का Fabulash mascara. This is very good for dramatic eyelashes and this is very affordable mascara. Mascara सूख जाते हैं ना ज़्यादातर, तो you have to buy it again and again. Expensive mascara खरीदने से अच्छा है I feel like इस टाइप के mascaras खरीदो, 2-3 महीने यूज करो, फिर दूसरा ले लो. And this is very good. Well, I'll show you how dramatic it looks on my eyes. This has this kind of spoolie. So two ways. We can use it in 2 ways. Let me show you. This side is for lengthening. If you can see the length. And the curved side is for thickening. And you will get this amount of length, which is insane. This is how my eyes look after I apply 2 coats of mascara. For the next step, I am using Renee's PH Madness blush, which changes the color according to your skin tone. I like it very much. I am using Cuffs and Lashes foundation brush to apply blush. So I am dipping it in the pan a little bit, very little bit, and dabbing. The pigmentation, the amazing pigmentation, guys. This PH Madness has amazing pigmentation. Hi, why are you disturbing? Can you see? Can you see how pigmented it is? I love this. I love this. I like to apply my blush all over my cheek. I love that fluffy look on my face. I'm gonna contour my face with Nivea contour stick in the shade Toast. So I'm applying it like this. And like this. And like this. And like this. And yeah, done. Yes. I will be using the same PAC 219 brush which I used for concealer and I blend it upwards. All over my eyes. And blend it, and done. This is how my contoured face looks like. बातों बातों में मैं eyebrow बनाना भूल गई हूँ. I am using Swiss Beauty का Shape My Brows, which is my favorite eyebrow powder palette, and I'm taking it on Mars BRE06 Fresh and applying it very, very, very gently. This is a very good brow powder. If you ask me to suggest or recommend only one brow powder, I would definitely name it. Can you see? I am done with my eyebrows. For the highlighter, I am using Mars Glozilla palette, and ये मैंने नीचे गिरा दिया और टूट गया. फिर भी I don't want to throw it. I'm using it. So I am taking good champagne color from it and using the same blush brush. I'm applying gently on the cheek. Can you see the glow? There are 0 chunky particles in this Glozilla palette. I love it a lot. And the same thing on the other side. Can you see the shine it added on my face? The last thing left is lipstick, which makes your look complete. And for that, I am using Swiss Beauty's Soft Matte Lip Creme. मेरे पास रेड कलर के शेड में सिर्फ यही लिपस्टिक था, तो मैं यही यूज कर रही हूँ. And apart from this, I have a lot of good lipsticks with me. I would definitely do some shots on it. Comment me if you want it or not. फिर भी करके देखती. This has moussey texture and this is a bright red color, perfect for Valentine's Day. This is the final look for the Valentine's Day. Comment me whether it is appropriate or not. And if you like the video, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel.